Hello, this is Jan with Blues Bird Toys again. Today I have another little toy that I've made up. It's called Keyed Alike, and it has the stainless steel keys on it. It's on a little metal shaped stainless steel piece, and it has a tube, 3/8 inch tube. It has some beads. It has a couple plastic flowers right there and right there. This one is for birds that are Amazon size and on down. Because of the O-rings, I wouldn't recommend this for the larger macaws. So it just kind of jingles when you move it about. So it's, and that's it on this toy. This is Keyed Alike. Thank you.